Hello there, and welcome back to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster. Now, before we get into this beast of a bike, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe, folks. I do appreciate it, and it is helping the channel out. So, what have we got in front of us? We've got the 2005 Boss Hoss ZZ4. What a machine. I've had to stand further back away than I normally do just to get this thing in the picture. It is huge. I mean, over here in the UK we're quite familiar with the Triumph Rocket, which I've got one here, which is a sizable unit to say the least, but compared to this beast, it's nothing. It's playing at it. So yeah, like I said, this is the 2005 Boss Hoss, and it's a V8 and it's a 5.7 litre, pumping out 502 horsepower, weighing in at 500 kilos. It's a weapon. It really is. Yeah, love it or hate it, you've got to appreciate it. It's got a reverse, which is a strange shit on a bike. You know, it's very different to the Goldwing reverse as well. But the detailing and the way it's built is pretty spectacular, to be fair. I'm not sure how much these are new. I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments below. But they've got to be a few quid. This paint's beautiful as well, how it goes. You can see the pearlescent going on there in the light. I've tried to capture that as best I can. So like I say, it's 2005 Boss Hoss ZZ4 V8 5.7 litre. The bike was imported back in 2016, I believe. But not registered until last year in the UK. The previous owner, he bought it in 2016, had it all recommissioned, i.e. all the fluids done, what have you, by a dealer down in Houston, Texas, and then shipped it over here, and it sat in his private collection until last year, where he decided he wanted to have a ride or two. The bike has only done 497 miles from new. Crazy. What a machine. So we can offer delivery on this bike, and we can offer finance on the bike as well. I've spoke to my finance company about it, and we're happy to be able to offer something in the on that one as well. Give me a call and I can talk you through that. The bike does come with a full kind of owner's manual, you know, proper big thick owner's manual there as well. But what a machine. So let me just put my camera down, and I'll tell you what we'll do. We are going to just kind of get this somewhat like, and we're just going to quick fire this up because it sounds unbelievable. You have to excuse me for being in the camera. I don't really like to be on the face, but yeah, let's now you can't say that doesn't sound good, so I'm just turning the fuel tap off while I remember. That is a proper Mister's bike. That is a weapon of choice. So yes, in stock today, 2005 Boss Hoss ZZ4 V8 5.7 litre. It's a mouthful, I'll tell you. So yeah, that's in stock. If you've got any questions, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. Always give me a call just to make sure the vehicle's still in stock, that type of thing, and also allow me to get the kettle on. I feel like I need to go for a ride on this now, just to experience it, because it does feel just awesome. Absolutely brilliant. I love the tank. I love the top of the tank, all the dials, everything. So American, it's unbelievable. So yeah, if that's of interest to you, give us a call. I appreciate it's not everyone's cup of tea, but pulling into the cafe on a Sunday morning with that thing. Bloody hell. Yeah, Triumph Rocket baby bike. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling and definitely feel like going for a ride now on this thing, talking about it. So yeah, any questions, give us a call. Don't forget, smash that like button and subscribe, folks. It's beautiful outside. Have a good day and a better one tomorrow. Cheers.